How to make a video slow motion on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the CapCut application on your phone. On this page, tap on New Project. Then go to the Videos section from the top. You can view all your videos over here. Select the video you want to use from here and then tap on Add at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Edit. You can now edit this video using the edit options below. Tap on Speed as shown to manage the speed settings. Here, select Normal. You can now adjust the speed of the video from here. Drag the button to the left to make the video slower. Once you're done, tap on the tick icon on the right. You can now export this video and share with your friends. Following these steps, you can easily make a video slow motion on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.